Rolls-Royce Excel. The Rolls-Royce Excel is more than a concept. It's an ambitious project aiming for big achievements. Excel stands for the Airspace Collaboration Challenge for Electric Flight. This project brings together Rolls-Royce, Electroflight, and other partners. The aircraft, called the Spirit of Innovation, has a bold mission to break speed records. It aims to fly at over 300 miles per hour. In September 2022, it completed its first successful flight, marking a key milestone. Test flights continue, with improvements being made to its performance. A record-breaking attempt is planned for 2024. The Excel project is pushing the limits of eco-friendly aviation. It highlights the potential of electric flight for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Despite challenges like battery technology and regulations, it's a giant leap forward for high-speed electric aircraft. Anthenea Capsule, world's first floating eco-luxury hotel suite. Introducing the Anthenea Capsule, a groundbreaking floating eco-luxury hotel suite. This innovative design offers a unique, fully autonomous living space that is unsinkable and environmentally friendly. Floating on water, the capsule provides guests with a magical experience, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Its eco-friendly design ensures it blends harmoniously with the environment, without causing any harm. Inside, the Anthenea Capsule offers all the luxury and comfort of a high-end hotel. Guests can enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the sea and even gaze into the underwater world through its transparent floor. The capsule was designed by renowned naval architect Jean-Michel Dussel, drawing inspiration from the floating saucer featured in the 1977 James Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. One of its greatest advantages is its ability to be placed on water without the need for a foundation, ensuring that the surrounding ecosystem remains undisturbed. With Anthenea, you can experience a new way of luxury travel while staying close to nature. Avid Drone 210 Tera Lighter. Cargo delivery just got easier with the Avid Drone 210 Tera Lighter, a high-performance UAV. This drone is designed for a variety of agricultural, AI, and industrial tasks thanks to its long range and large payload capacity. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, the Avid Drone 210 Tera Lighter can carry up to 16 kilograms of cargo. It's an environmentally friendly choice for long-distance, heavy-lift transportation, as it runs on battery power. Its tandem rotor design adds to its stability, allowing it to operate in all weather conditions. This feature makes it highly adaptable for logistical tasks. The drone is equipped with proprietary autopilot technology, which allows it to operate beyond visual line of sight. This means no specialized pilots are needed to control it. Additionally, its low noise output makes it ideal for use in areas where sound is a concern. For easy transportation, the Avid Drone 210 Tera Lighter can be broken down into 3 sections and quickly assembled on-site, ensuring fast deployment. CJ Sherpa. Introducing the CJ Sherpa, the ultimate all-terrain vehicle built for adventure. The Sherpa is designed to conquer both land and water effortlessly, thanks to its unique amphibious design. It transitions smoothly between different surfaces, making it perfect for exploring various environments. One of the standout features of the Sherpa is its innovative tire inflation system. This system automatically adjusts to different terrains, providing excellent traction on rocks, mud, and even ice. Whether you're crossing challenging landscapes or tough trails, the Sherpa ensures a stable ride. Despite its compact size, the Sherpa is built with a sturdy frame powered by a fuel-efficient diesel engine. This ensures reliable performance, even in remote locations where dependability is crucial. Inside, the Sherpa surprises with its spacious and practical interior, offering both comfort and utility. It has a payload capacity of up to 1,000 kilograms, making it perfect for heavy-duty expeditions and long adventures. Prices for the CJ Sherpa vary depending on the configuration, but you can expect to invest around $120,000 for a base model. The CJ Sherpa isn't just a vehicle, it's your gateway to exploring the world beyond the paved roads. Hyundai XC 2022. Groundbreaking vision for the future of mobility. At CES 2022, Hyundai introduced a revolutionary vision for the future of mobility. This vision goes beyond what we could ever imagine, pushing the boundaries of movement and transportation. Hyundai is using the power of robotics to enhance human abilities. They're not just focusing on improving transportation, but also on creating new ways for people to interact with the world. This includes the development of advanced robots that can overcome current limitations in mobility. These robots are designed to extend beyond traditional transportation. Hyundai calls this concept Metamobility. It's about more than just physical movement, it's about expanding mobility into virtual spaces. Hyundai is working on smart platforms that give access to the metaverse. This is a digital universe where people can connect and interact in new ways. Hyundai envisions a world where mobility plays a key role, even in virtual environments. Their approach shows their commitment to progress for humanity. They are aiming to reshape how we think about transportation and movement, both in the real world and in the metaverse. Hyundai's vision at CES 2022 shows their dedication to innovation and redefining the future of mobility. Microsoft HoloLens 2. The Microsoft HoloLens 2 introduces a new era of mixed reality technology. It seamlessly blends the physical and digital worlds, bringing holograms into our everyday lives. With its cutting-edge design and advanced features, HoloLens 2 transforms how we interact with information and collaborate. From immersive gaming to high-tech industrial applications, it allows users to visualize, create, and engage with digital content in entirely new ways. Imagine exploring the vast potential of the HoloLens 2 as it reshapes industries, boosts productivity, and inspires creativity. This technology helps people unlock new levels of innovation and efficiency. Experience the future of computing with Microsoft HoloLens 2, where the line between imagination and reality fades away. Join us on this journey to discover how HoloLens 2 is revolutionizing the way we see and experience our world. Plana Hybrid Air Mobility. Introducing Plana, a groundbreaking startup in hybrid air mobility. Founded by the former head of Hyundai's Supernal EV program, Plana is revolutionizing how we approach air travel. With its innovative design, this hybrid electric vehicle offers a quieter and more sustainable flying experience. The Plana Hybrid EV is designed to carry one pilot and up to 6 passengers, making it ideal for small groups. It boasts an impressive operational range of up to 500 kilometers, making it suitable for longer journeys. Its sleek fuselage design extends into a large upper wing, and at the front, 2 canards provide extra stability. The propulsion system features large, tilting 5-blade electric propellers. This advanced system offers full vector thrust, ensuring smooth and efficient flight. Plana's focus is on passenger comfort and accessibility. The company is planning to build a demonstration aircraft soon, showing the potential of this remarkable innovation. The Pearl by Breakfast. The Pearl is a standout feature on board the Icon of the Seas, a cutting-edge cruise ship. This is no ordinary sculpture. Weighing 53 tons, it holds the title of the world's largest kinetic sculpture. What makes it even more impressive is its design. The Pearl is made up of 3,000 individual tiles. Each tile moves in sync with the ship, creating mesmerizing patterns. Guided by a powerful computer, these tiles respond to the sea's movement. When the ocean is rough, the tiles sway energetically, mimicking the turbulence of the waves. When the water is calm, they move gently, creating a peaceful, soothing display for guests. This dynamic sculpture turns the ship into a living work of art, reflecting the ever-changing rhythm of nature. Uber Air. Uber Technologies is working to change the way we travel with an aerial ride-sharing service called Uber Air. This sky taxi service uses electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft. These all-electric vehicles are designed with a focus on safety, reducing noise, and improving energy efficiency. Uber aims to offer shared trips, carrying up to 4 passengers, plus a pilot, in each Uber Air vehicle. To make this possible, Uber plans to build skyports in urban areas. These will be hubs for starting and ending flights. Uber Air is expected to launch as early as 2023 and could transform how we move around cities.